Hello guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome to a channel Javaholic. So here we are going to be discuss about the Java programming and all each concept of the Java. So today's topic questions is what is immutable object and why string is immutable. So this is the one of the most commonly asked question in the interview. So it's I don't think so. It's possible to without asking this question interview going to be completed. So that's the interview point of view. This is the questions and quite confusing also. Questions are there. So first we going to understand what is the immutable object, and then we going through the what is the string, why string is immutable. So let's see like what is immutable object. Yes, so like immutable object. Yeah, okay. So guys, what is immutable object? If you say simply like immutable object is that which can't be like can't be modified. You can't modify the immutable object once it's created. If you are created the immutable object, then if you are trying to modify it and if you hoping that it's modified, so it's not going to be happen. Like immutable objects main feature or main nature is that also. So, okay, that only. So like in simply immutable object is the object which is unchangeable, you can say unchangeable. So and also one behavior of this object is that like if you are able to modify it, then it's not going to be modified in the same in same object. In every modification it will be create the new object. Yes, so like every modification new object will created. So that's a immutable object. Immutable means like unchangeable or unmodifiable. It's a like opposite of mutable. Mutable means changeable and immutable means unchangeable. So it's a very simple it is. Like for example, like string is immutable. So for example, if you getting the string s equal to like Java holic, and if you are trying to change that object like string s1 equal to s dot to upper case, it's a method to convert the string into uppercase. So here in this case like the object is this the object that is pointing to the s is not going to be uppercase. You have to just think like that only. Like in this thing the object is created s1, like s1 holding the object which is having the this string uppercase. So here is the one concept is like a string pooling concept. You might have heard about. If you not, I'm going to be like I make a separate video on that. So here one concept is the string pooling. It's available in the JVM memory in the like RAM. So whenever the string object created with the double quote, it's just store that object in string pool with the value like with that those value whichever it's created. Here is Javaholic. So Javaholic, one object is stored in the pool. So next, like here again s dot to uppercase. So this object is not going to be changed. Like here also the control just copy this whole content and like copy this whole content and modified it into the uppercase, and again a new object is created in the string pool with the new modified value. So it's happening like that. Like here it become like Java holic. So this kind of thing happen with the string, because string is immutable object. So I hope you understand this thing, because like while what is the immutability nature of the object. So this is the thing. In every modification, just it copied the context content and place in the new object into the string pool. And one more thing is, guys, like whenever the creating in the string pooling object, it first verify is the like is any object already available with the given modified name, or suppose that here we modified to the Javaholic, and if Javaholic is already available in this pool, then that object, new object will not be created, and this the existing object will be pointing to the our destination. So this is the concept of string pooling. String pool never be accept the duplicate value. So it's one of the wonderful feature of the like Java, you can say. So I hope you got clarity, some clarity on the immutable feature of the object. So let's move to the next part, that is the why string is immutable. So let's see that also. Okay, like why string is immutable. So okay, so this is the commonly asked question also, like why string is immutable. So many people give you answer that string is immutable because of string pooling. So there is no linking between the immutability and the pooling. Because of this string is immutable, that's why the string pooling concept is created. Not for the this feature, string pooling feature, immutable object feature are created. So just mind it in, or like people may argue with you that like for this, so clarify their doubts about that. So string is immutable because of the some like security related issues, like for if you want to change the any value, and you might heard about the pass by reference value. Suppose that I am going to give you the one simple examples. So like if you created like you are just created one string equal to some like YouTube. So and you just created this string also, and this string is required for the uh, one method, like some important method, like about some validate. Okay, so we have some method like validate, and we going to be pass that method into the string into that method. So here this s1 string is going to be used in this validate method. So if we further we like uncertainly we just change the like s1 we modify. Okay, we modify the s1 lower case. Okay, so we modify the s1. So the validate method is required. Okay, like validate method required this string only, and we also provided, but in this phase this is the I'm going to I'm trying to explain if what happen if a string is not immutable. So the validator method is required this like this string, and somehow like unknowingly or knowingly we change the value, like it's suppose that like sorry about that, here we got some problem in this line, like because it's already in the lower case. So like we change into the like we change into the upper case, suppose that upper case here. Okay, so here validate method require the this small YouTube string, but we already passed also, but unknowingly we modified here. So if the string is not immutable, then this value become the value become YouTube. This will the value become YouTube because we pass the reference. You already know that the if reference the past, then the past reference and the present reference all are point to the this object only. So if the string is immutable, then here like for this some YouTube, here only the value become changed to YouTube also. Like first it was YouTube, and after we after this line is executed, then it become YouTube. So the problem is going to happen like that. Validate method is expecting the smaller case YouTube, and we just change that value. So this problem like the validate method error happen obviously, because the Java is the case sensitive, you know, like that. So this is the problem with the mutable object. If string is mutable, then this problem will occur. That's why the string is given as a immutable to solve this problem only. And also this is a proof of concept I just given to my example, so it's easy to understand on that. Actual problem is that like it's happen in the collections. And of course we are going to discuss the collection also going to happen in the collections. Why, like if you focus on that, the like hash table object, here the string is going to be used as a key and value is used as a some object type. Okay, so here string is used as a key and some object is used as a value. Key and value. So here for key we take generally take the string value. So like we just suppose that we create the object like hash table st equal to new hash table. Okay, and we put the value of s1. Suppose that st dot put like put s1 comma something like I am going to put 5. So here the after modification the YouTube here will be added like here the okay like YouTube will be added here. And here in value section 5 will be added. So YouTube is a key which is pointing to the sorry 5. Okay. Then problem here will become is that whenever we are get like we try to like we are going to get the value of the YouTube key, but okay like s out like st dot get of s1. Okay, so here the value will come like should come 5 and also it come 5, not on doubting that, but in middle in that place after executing so before executing this place somehow unfortunately the for our requirement purpose we just change the value of s1 like some like we just modify st dot concat concat. So concat is a function which add the one string with another string like with like same as a plus operator. We also going to discuss our more that this method also. So we for our requirement we just change the value this and so s1 if here just concentrate that if here s1 like a string is mutable, then this live will going to be add to this object like this. So it's become the YouTube live. Okay, unfortunately it will become YouTube live, but here is that we stored in the hash table is the YouTube, and here we are going to get by S1, but S1 is pointing to this object which is the YouTube live. So here in place of 5, null will come because the YouTube live key doesn't have any value, or like YouTube live is not available in this hash table. So for this only, this is one of more problem of the string is immutable. Why the string is immutable? This is the focus region on that. So you may ask the question like here we just concat the live na. So why don't we like fetch the this value with YouTube only? But my friends, the problem is that because in industry no one single man going to be write the whole code. It happens somewhere like this much of code is write by other programmer, and another part of the code will write at another other programmer. So that's the problem happen. That's why string is given as the immutable for this purpose to storing into the map collections by reserving some value. If the string is mutable, then the keys will remain same, but the object of the string is time to time changed, and if you going to be fetch the object key, then it will return null, and further you can get the null pointer exception. So I hope you guys get clarity on that. So this is all about this question. I tried my level best to give you the clarity. Unfortunately, if you are not clear on that, please comment me, and if you like this explanation, then like and subscribe the channel for further more interesting concept of Java, and also I am also preparing for launching the collections, and I am going to be give the deep knowledge on the collections. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the further notification about my videos. So thank you so much for being here.